Welcome to today's video. Today, this is a basic level phonics lesson, and today we're going to be learning the sounds of the letter combinations OA, OW, and OE. But first, let's review the sounds from the last video. Go ahead and read the sounds, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
E, 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 A, A, Er, 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 or,
All right, this time, listen and write down the sounds that you hear, and then I will play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
or, E, 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 A, Er, Er, Er,
And you'll notice that some of these have the same sound, so it doesn't matter which spelling you choose, because they're all those that have a similar sound are pronounced the same even when they're spelled differently.
or, E, 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 A, A, Er, Er, Er,
All right, now review these words, sound them out, read them, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
E, D, need, T, E, team, m, n, e, money, e, d, read, s, e, see, t, k, e, turkey,
All right, now we're going to learn the OA sounds. Listen and repeat.
o, 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 road,
Now practice these OA words.
o, d, road, o, t, oat, o, o, d, load, k, o, ch, coach,
And now let's practice the OW sound.
o, 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 grow,
And then practice these OW words.
g, o, grow, f, o, n, flown, o, o, glow, s, n, o, snow,
Right, now we'll learn the OE sound. So again, listen and repeat.
o, 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 toe,
And now practice these OE words.
t, o, toe, f, o, foe, d, o, doe, w, o, woe,
Now practice these words, practice sounding them out and reading them, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
b, o, t, boat, k, o, s, t, coast, o, k, oak, g, o, grow, o, row, o, low, s, o, slow, t, o, d, toad, s, n, o, snow, o, n, own, j, o, Joe, m, o, mo,
Now write down the words that you hear, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
boat, show, grow, toe, slow, own, boat, show, grow, toe, slow, own,
Right, now here's a sight word to review.
very,
Now read the sentences, and then restart the video to listen and check.
Joe has his own boat, but the boat does not float. The oak tree grows. The toad sees the snow. Joe and Mo row a boat. The tide is low, so they go very slow. Joe sees a goat on the coast. Show me, says Mo. But the goat had run away. All Mo sees is a toad.
Now read the entire story again, and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
Joe and Mo row a boat. The tide is low, so they go very slow. Joe sees a goat on the coast. Show me, says Mo. But the goat had run away. All Mo sees is a toad.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave me a message, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.